Hello students, today we are going to learn a new chapter, that is second chapter, exponents and powers. The first chapter is reduced for your academic year. Okay, so we are starting from the exponents and powers. Before going to details, first we should know the basic things. Here I am written 10 and the power is 2. So how we will read this one? This will be 10 square. So if the power is 2, then we can say it as 10 square. So that we can write in the expanding form 10 into 10. Then what about this one? 10 to the power 3. So we can say it as 10 cube. So we can write like this 10 into 10 into 10. Then what about this? How to read this one and how to write? So for that they given here. How to read that one? We say 10 raised to the power 24. So here 24 means power, that is exponent, and the 10 is our base. So like this we have to read. So some more examples are here. 2 raised to the power, or else you directly say 2 to the power 5. Okay, so here they written in the expanding form, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 5 times they written. So like that, if I take m power, okay, 2 to the power m, then we have to write up to m times. Okay, then what about the negative thing? So that we can say it as exponent is a negative integer. Then how to write that one? So it is very simple. For that they give an example here in your textbook. If we write 10 square means 10 to the power 2, then we are writing here 10 into 10, that is 100. If we take 10 to the power 1 means only 10, so we can write it as only 10, or else 100 by 10. If you divide it again, you will get the 10. Then 10 to the power 0, it is always 1. A number having power 0, it always gives us equal to 1. So like this, so 10 to the power 0, we will get here 1. Then what about the 10 to the power minus 1? So we can write like this 1 by 10. Okay, so 10 to the power minus 1, we can write 10 to the 1 by 10. Then what about the 10 to the power minus 2? So here they given list of that one. So already we know 10 to the power minus 1, that is 1 by 10. So again divide it by 10. So here we will get 1 by 10 into 1 by 10. If you make the 10 as reciprocal, that will be 1 by 10 to make the multiplication. So we will get here 1 by 100. Okay, so 1 by 100, 100 means what? So that is our 10 into 10, the power is 2. So that is square, 10 square. So we can write 10 to the power minus 2 as directly 1 by 10 square. Okay, so like that 10 to the power minus 3 we can write as 1 by 10 to the power 3, or else 1 by 10 cube. So in continuation, again they given few more examples, you just go through them. Okay, so here they given how to make the other powers also. See here, 3 to the power minus 1, they written 1 by 3. 3 to the power minus 2, they written 1 by 3 square. And 3 to the power minus 3, they given 1 by 3 cube. Okay, then what about if we having already in minus, how to write them? Okay, see here in reverse order they given 10 to the power minus 2, so we can write it as 1 by 10 square. Next, if we taking 10 square here, then again equal to, it will be 1 by 10 to the power minus 2. How it possible? Just they made interchanging these two. Okay, cross changed or interchanged the 10 square and 10 to the power minus 2. So now you can understand easily. So like that they given here two more examples. After observing these all examples, we can conclude a new law of exponent, that is a power minus m gives us 1 by a power m. Okay, we will get here again. I will repeat this one. A power minus m gives us 1 by a power m. Okay, so you can use any exponent number here m which is not equal to 0. So that's why they given here non-zero integer. Now another one basic concept, that is expanding. Okay, so already we are familiar, but also here I am repeating that one. Here they given one number, that is 1425. Okay, so how I am saying this? 1000 means 1 into 10 to the power 3. What is 10 to the power 3? This is our 1000. And 400, how to write this one? 4 into 10 to the power 2, that is 10 square. So that we will get 100. And 25, 20 means 2 into 10 to the power 1 plus 5 into 10 to the power 0, because again we will get here 1 into 5, again we will get the 5 only. Here 20, 25. Next 4 into 100, 400, 425. Again 1000, 1425. Okay, so like this we have to expand. Then what about if they given decimal? Okay, so up to here we understood. Next 0.3 is there, so it will be 10th place, so we can write it as 3 by 10. Next 1 2, next one is 6 is there, means 2 places, so that we can write it as 6 by 100. Okay, so in the exponent form, how to write? 3 into 10 to the power minus 1. So 3 by 10 we can write it as 3 into 10 to the power minus 1 plus here 6 by 100 is there. How to write that one? 6 into 10 to the raised to minus 2. Okay, so like this we have to expand the forms in powers and exponents. In continuation we will get here laws of exponents. Okay, so try to write them, these all laws of exponents. First one, a power m by a power n gives us a power m minus n. Okay, base should be same and power means exponent should be different. That time we will get here a power m minus n. Next, a power m whole bracket power n, so we can write it as a power mn. And a power m into b power m, we can write it as ab power m. Okay, so like this, a power m by b power m gives us a by b whole power m, and already I told a power 0 always gives us value 1. Okay, another one, that is a power minus m equal to 1 by a power m. Okay, this is our sixth one. Okay, so totally 6 exponents are there, laws of exponents are there. So using these exponents, laws of exponents, now we are going to solve the exercise. Now in exercise, first question, evaluate 3 to power minus 2. Okay, how to write that one? So we know the exponent, law of exponent, that is a power minus m gives us 1 by a power m. Okay, so this one I will rewrite like this, 1 by 3 square. Okay, so that will be 3 square means 9, so our answer will be 1 by 9. Okay, this is our identity. Next, minus 4 power minus 2, so that one also I will write as minus power 2 or else minus 4 square. Okay, so minus 4 square means what? So it will be 4 4s are 16. So which 16? Plus 16. So our answer will be 1 by 16. Now 1 by 2 power minus 5. Okay, so here you can go with the law of exponent or else another one law of exponent they given in the last page, that is 13, page number 13. Okay, that is a by b power minus m equal to b by a power m. Okay, so making the reciprocal of 1 by 2 as 2 by 1, power minus m becomes plus m, that is 5. Okay, so 2 by 1 is 2, 2 to the power 5, that is, here we will get 2 to the power 5, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, okay, totally 5 times. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. So our answer will be 32. In second question, first one, minus 4 power 5 divided by minus 4 power 8. Okay, so I will using here a by a power m by a power n equal to a power m minus n. Okay, so I will rewrite the given problem like this: minus 4 power 5 divided by minus 4 power 8. Okay, using this law of exponent we will get here minus 4 power 5 minus 8. So that is minus 4 power 5 minus 8, we will get here minus 3. Okay, so again another one identity is there, that is a power minus m gives us 1 by a power m. Okay, so using this I will rewrite the answer as 1 by minus 4 whole to the power 3. Okay, so or else you can say 1 by minus 4 cube. Understood? So using the law of exponent we have simplified given problem in the power of positive integer, that is here 3, power is 3. Second one for your practice, here third one I am solving. Minus 3 power 4 is there into 5 by 3 whole power 4. Okay, so rewrite that one: minus 3 power 4 into 5 power 4 by 3 power 4. Okay, because a by b whole power m gives us a power m by b power m. Okay, so this is our law of exponent. So here minus 3 power 4, 3 power 4, we can easily get cancelled, or else if you are having the confusion, make them into simplify. Minus 3 power 4, how to solve this one? Minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. Okay, 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 3 is 81. Okay, now minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus again plus. So here we got plus 81 into 5 to the power 4 divided by 3 to the power 4 means that is also 81. So if you multiply 4 times you will get again 81. So 81 81 get cancelled, cross division. So here we got 5 to the power 4. So this is our final answer. Fourth one, 3 to the power minus 7 division 3 to the power minus 10 whole into 3 to the power minus 5. First you simplify the brackets. Okay, so I will rewrite this as 3 to the power minus 7 divided by 3 to the power minus 10 into 3 to the power minus 5. Okay, so using a to the power m by a to the power n gives us a to the power m minus n. Okay, so using that law of exponent, here we will get 3 to the power minus 7 minus of minus 10 into what left here, 3 to the power minus 5. Okay, 3 to the power, see here, minus 7 minus into minus plus 10 into 3 to the power minus 5. Here minus 7 plus 10, what you will get? That is plus 3. So I will write it as 3 to the power 3 into 3 to the power minus 5. Okay, so again we have one law of exponent, that is a to the power m into b to the power a to the power n gives us a to the power m plus n. Okay, so here 3 power 3 plus minus 5. So what it gives? 3 power 3 plus into minus minus 5. So gives us 3 to the power 3 minus 5, that is minus 2. Okay, how to write that 3 to the power minus 2? 1 by 3 square. So 1 by 3 square, 3 square means what? 9, that is 1 by 9. So this is our final answer, 1 by 9. Here fifth one is for your practice. Now I am directly going to the third main. So in third main, first one 3 to the power 0 mean plus 4 to the power minus 1 whole bracket into 2 square. Okay, so 3 to the power 0, here we will get 1 plus 4 to the power minus 1, we will rewrite this one as 1 by 4. So multiplication is there, so multiplication 2 square is 4. Okay, so here taking the LCM 1 and 4, here we will get 4. So 1 4 za 4 1 za 1 4 za 4 plus 1 1 za 1 into 4 is here 4 4 will get cancelled, we will get 4 plus 1, that is 5. So our answer will be 5. Now third one, second one is for your practice, and here 1 by 2 whole power minus 2 is there. Using the law of exponent, that is a by b power minus m equal to a by b power, so it will be reciprocal, means b by a, we will get b by a power m. Okay, a by b whole power minus m, we will get that reciprocal of ab, that will be b by a whole power m. So minus become plus here, and a by b becomes b by a. So using this law of exponent, we will modify this one. 1 by 2 whole power minus 2, I will write it as 2 by 1 power plus 2 plus 3 by 1 whole power plus 2 plus 4 by 1 whole power 2. Okay, so here 2 by 1 is nothing but our 2. 2 square is, what is the 2 square? So 2 2 is 4 plus 3 by 1 is nothing but 3. 3 square is 9. 3 3 is 9 plus 4 by 1. 4 by 1 is nothing but 4. So 4 square is 4 4 is 16. Okay, so now add them. 4 plus 9 13. 13 plus 16, it will be 29. So our final answer will be 29. The next fourth question, see here the whole power is 0. So what is this answer? So it is always equal to 1. Why? If any number having power 0, that value will be 1. Now solving the fifth one. Now in fifth question, minus 2 by 3 whole power minus 2 whole square is there. Okay, so we have the identity a power m whole power n gives us a power m into n. Okay, so using that, here we will get minus 2 by 3 power minus 2 into 2. So gives us minus 2 by 3, 2 into 2, it will be 4. Which 4? Minus 4. So again using the law of exponent, that is a power b whole power minus m gives us b by a whole power m. Okay, applying here, we will get 3 by minus 2 whole power 4. Okay, so simplifying it for each term, so here you will get 3 power 4 and minus 2 power 4. Okay, so if you simplify this like this, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 divided by minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. So here we will get 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 3 is 81 divided by 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 2 is 16, and here minus is there, minus into minus plus, plus into minus again minus, minus into minus plus. The final answer will be 81 by 16. In the fourth question, first one, see here 8 power minus 1 is there here into 5 power 3 whole divided by 2 power minus 4 is there. Okay, so what I will do, I will make them into positive. So here we will get 2 power minus 4, I will write taking to the numerator, it becomes positive 2 power 4 into 5 power 3, and 8 power minus 1 becomes here divisible, so that is 8 power 1. Okay, so 2 power 4, what is the 2 power 4, just we got, that is 16 into 5 power 3. So how much we will get, 5 into 5 into 5 whole divided by 8 power 1 means 8 only. So 8 ones are 8 twos are. So now 2 5s are 10, 10 5s are 50, 50 5s are 250. So our answer will be 250. Now in fifth question, we have to find the value of m. So rewriting that given problem as 5 over m divided by 5 power minus 3 equal to 5 power 5. Okay, using the identity a power m divided by a power n gives us a power m minus n. Okay, so now applying this law of exponent to the given problem, that will becomes 5 power m minus, again already here minus 1 is there, so I will write it as minus of minus 3 equal to 5 power 5. Okay, so now equating the only powers. Okay, so here it becomes 5 power m minus into minus plus 3 gives us 5 power 5. Okay, here m plus 3 is there, here 5 is there, equating them. So m plus 3 equal to 5. So then m equal to 5 minus 3. So m equal to 5 minus 3 will get here 2. So our final answer is m equal to 2. Now solving the sixth problem. In that first one, second one is for your practice. First one I will solve here. So here they given 1 by 3 whole power minus 1 minus 1 by 4 whole power minus 1, and whole power of the problem is minus 1. Okay, so using the identity, that is a by b whole power minus 1 or m gives us b by a whole power m. Okay, so using this identity we have to solve this one. So 1 by 3 whole power minus 1, we can write it as 3 by 1 whole power plus 1 minus, next again 1 by 4 we can write it as 4 by 1 whole power minus 1. Okay, it becomes plus. Okay, so 3 by and whole bracket, that is flower bracket they given, again minus 1. Now 3 by 1 is nothing but 3, 3 power 1 is 3 minus 4 power 4 by 1 is 4, 4 power 1 is, that is also 4, and whole power how much is there, again minus 1 is there. Now 3 minus 4, that is minus 1, and again whole power minus 1. We can rewrite this like this, 1 by minus 1. Okay, power becomes plus. So our answer will be 1 by 1 is nothing but 1. So finally answer 1. Okay, so here minus 1 power minus 1 always gives us 1 by minus 1, and If you divide it 1 by 1, again we will get the 1, and here if it is plus and minus, plus by minus, again we will get minus. So our answer will be minus 1. In 7th question also, out of 2 I will solve one here and one for your practice. 25. So I will rewrite this 25 as 5 square into t to the power minus 4 whole divided by 5 my power minus 3 into 10 into t to the power minus 8. So using the law of exponents, so if I write here a by m, a power m by a power n, so it will becomes 2 minus of minus 3 into t minus power 4 minus of minus 8 whole divided by remaining is 10. Okay, now it becomes 5, 2 minus of minus, minus into minus plus 2 plus 3 5, 5 power 5 into here t power minus 4 is a minus of minus 8, so minus into minus plus, in 8 if you minus 4 it becomes t to the power 4 divided by 10. By further simplifying this, here we will get, let's take 5 into, I will expanding this 5 power 4, okay, 1 5 I am taking outside, into t to the power 4 divided by 10. Okay, so 5 ones are 5 twos are, so here we will get 5 to the power 4, so if you multiply this 4 times, here we will get 6 25, so t to the power 4, so into 2 to the power 4 divided by 2. So this is our final answer.